Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you unique logos like this. If you think that your business growth and customers will increase automatically, then you are living on fool's paradise. Actually, I'm a professional graphic designer and digital marketer. So you can check out here. I have already worked with 3,000 plus global clients on Fiverr. So I am especially a logo designer, brand identity designer, and you can see here. And so here is my portfolio, and I hope that you will love my design quality. And today I will describe those logos. So is it minimalist or modern? Is it minimalist or modern or luxury? So I will describe about those logos and what is the story behind of these logos. So I will tell details. So stay connected, stay watching my video. So here you can see Alicia Film Mountain. So this is what type of logo this is. You can see here Alicia Film. This features geometric line art style. It uses clean, sharp, increasing lines to form a mountain peak, giving it a modern and minimalist look. So, modern and minimalist look, buyer asked me to make it modern, minimalist and geometric line. Then I made this logo, Alicia Film, according to his instruction. And after that, whenever I made this logo, just a buyer said to me, I would like to make a logo like this shape, and then Kasmini Fitness, his logo name will be. Then I made this logo according to his instructions. Just you can see here, just similar type of it is fitness and wellness logo. That's why I put here some leaf here and with the shape of this girl. And Musainak Monomias, it's also another logo for a deer. And you can see here minimalist logo. So let's check out Musainak. This is a monomalin logo. So Alicia Film, Musinak and Mikhail Pencil, those are minimalist style logo. You can see here Alicia Film and Musinak, these are minimalist style, and Mikhail Pencil. Minimalist, what do you mean by minimalist? If you ask me, then I will answer. Just check, this is the old head and pencil, just like it's like a pen, it looking like a pencil, and it's a wolf shape and just a line art. I have made it a wolf face. This is minimalist. If you want to check this out, this is a this is online just line shape of a deer and make it a minimalist logo. And then Alicia Film, it's not a just a letter. You can see here AFM. It's a shape of a mountain. So mountain, deer and all shapes, I have just made it according to the instructions with, and the line are just it says it's by itself. This is minimalist. Okay, so monogram style. Minimalist and monogram are not same. Kasmini Fitness, it's and stylish garments. Let's check out Kasmini Fitness and stylish garments. This is monogram. Whenever we put you can see, you can tell it also a monogram, but when two letters are just interconnected and it's without this name it can be used. So these are minimalist. And why minimalist? A classic interlocking monogram style. The letters S and G are woven together into a sharp geometric emblem, perfect or monogram apparel brand. That's why it's a monogram style. So you can see here it's a for clothing garments logo. So that's why it's minimal monogram logo. And Mahia, where is Mahia? Here it's also a monogram style logo. This is without name. Just think about without name. This is monogram, this is monogram, and this is monogram. Okay, so let's check badge and circular style logo. Batch logo. Whenever you will ask me to make a logo, then badge logo, so I will think about this elements I will include. Minimalist natural feeling. So check this out. Circle logo. Here it's circle logo and it is circle logo. So why it is a round emblem badge style. That's why it is circular and badge style logo. It encloses minimalist natural elements. Why? Here natural, just a water shape and mountain shape. That's why natural elements I have included here. And lotus flower, can you see here? Lotus flower, a natural shape. This is the shape of a lotus, and that's why I have made this logo. So then batch already finished. Organic and feminine style logo. Natural word, feminine style logo. It's not male, it's organic. So you can see here it's natural. Just buyer asked me to make a logo word. Word means means love shape, so I have put here love shape and bird. This is the bird shape. And natural, when he say natural, then I put here some leaves. So natural, that's why it's called natural. For natural, for leaves, for love, and bird it is. Then I have shown this logo behind a background is just like a bird. So this is totally according to his instructions I have made. And sports, fitness, and dynamic style. Whenever you will see and you will ask me to make a logo, Likiseke. Okay, let's take it Likiseke. This is his style. It's a sports logo. And then sports and why Likiseke? Why Likiseke? A style is customers wordmark. Typography style. It transforms the brand initials into bold, flowing, abstract. It's abstract types of logo. And sectors healthy fitness. Sectors healthy fitness is also. Can you see? Check this out. So, and here Fittora logo also. So I think here a bold, dynamic, sharp, geometric style. It relies on heavy, aggressive angles and bold shapes to form a mountain or stylish app and symbolize strength, power, and high performance. That's why I have made this logo. So whenever you will listen this behind the story of a logo, then you can realize just a normal logo and minimalist, modern, and aggressive logo. So of course a logo is not just a logo, it's the brand. Whenever you will make a perfect logo, then it will make a brand for you. And just like Gymshark, Nike, those are brands. Why? Because the story of behind are perfect and is strong. So I have described according to these logos. So do you have any? If you have any queries, you can ask me anytime, and I'm sure I will be able to give you the best logo and any service. So here is my Behance LinkedIn. You can message me anytime, and here is my Behance portfolio. So I gave graphic design service, logo design, graphic design, just like a logo design, brand style guide, brand identity, social media kit, stationery design, and digital marketing services like YouTube SEO and Google Ads. Shopify store design is Shopify. But you can ask me anything, just I will give you the proven strategy, and I'm sure you will love my design quality and brand identity style. Here is my brand identity style. So whenever you'll see this video, so I hope you will love everything, and I will make you a strong brand identity and visual communications for your brand identity and for your business, and I'm sure your business will grow automatically with digital marketing and graphic design services. So hope that you love my quality, and thank you so much. I will stay tuned with me, and I will let's pray for me. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.